Wow, so many yummy fruits fell from the tree that day. It felt like a little fruit rain just for us.
I didn't get any food at all that day, so I just had to fill my tummy with water and try not to think about it. That pig has a mountain of fruits over there. I should go tell my friends so we can all go together. Hey friends, gather around and listen up. I've got something really good to tell you.
All right, tell me everything. What happened and where is this place?
I spotted a bunch of fruits in one spot, so let's all go there and see if we can share some.
Come on, everyone. Get up and move. Let's hurry over there right now.
Look over there, friends. There are so many fruits hanging. Maybe we can kindly ask them to share a few with us.
Hey, pig, look over here for a second. I need to talk to you.
Oh, what's going on? Why have you all come here looking like that?
We're really hungry today. So could you please share some of your fruits with us?
A few moments later.
If you kick the tree a little harder, the fruits might fall this way, my friend, and then everyone can reach them.
No problem at all. I'll go call my friends right away so we can all help you together.
What happened, my dear friend? You look like you really need something.
The Lions group has come here for fruits, and I don't have enough strength to handle the tree by myself. But if we all work together, we can definitely do it.
All right, everyone, let's go over there and help them out as a team.
A few minutes later.
So, which fruits do you like the most? And do you need a few more for later?
This is just the right amount for us. Thank you so much for sharing, my dear friend. And if you ever need help like this from us, please tell us anytime. We'll be there.